Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so we're starting where it laps over that other rib up there. And then we're going to go over this pin. Now, if you're working by yourself, this is really handy to do. You go ahead and make yourself a little slit like that. That way you can pop the line to where we're going to next. Alright, 28.5, if you remember, we measured up from that square over on this outside edge. Now, you can either do a 4-foot level, like so. Make sure we're on both marks. Or you can do a chalk line from here to there, particularly if it's a really long cut. This is pretty long. I'm getting a lot of complaints from my less experienced cohorts that 26 gauge is hard to cut, and it is. But it's good to have a new set of snips. These are Wiss, which open a little bit deeper. W-I-S-S. Home Depot sells them. I've been using Wiss for a long time. I've tried other brands, including Craftsman, so on, so on, so on. Wiss just seems to do better. I don't like the new lock that they put on them. It's getting in my way a lot. Just like I don't like locks on tape measures because I've gotten used to them not having it. So anyway, the biggest thing is sharp snips, and you're contributing to that cut by you holding down on one side and pulling up on another. So you're pulling up and you're holding down, literally trying to tear the sheet. This is 26 gauge, not 29 gauge, so it's much heavier. You can see how that tore? It wants to tear. You're just encouraging it with these where you want it to tear. Using straights, because most of the time I'm cutting straight lines. You can use left hand and right hand, cut straight. The problem with that is that it put your hand on one side or the other instead of in the middle. When I'm right-handed, I'll tend to be on the right side, but I can tilt and still cut straight. Whereas if I had right hand or left hands, I won't be able to tilt because I'm already more on that side. But there'll be people who argue about that. It's been my experience, and I'm just trying to help you understand. So now we cut this angle, 28.5 here, 15 here, and we're going to take it up and we're going to put it in place. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.